If you accidentally deleted your emails or you can't find some emails, this video is for you. First of all, go to Gmail, go to More, and then go to Bin to check if there is any email you had accidentally deleted. If you can't find anything here, go to Chrome and then type Gmail messages are missing. Click the first option from Google Help, and then you choose from computer or Android or iPhone and iPad. Scroll down and then click on most of my emails are missing. After that, make sure to click this option. We can help find your missing emails and secure your account. This is the Gmail message recovery tool by Google. So select start over and then make sure you select the exact email you want to search. Click continue. If there are any irrecoverable emails, this tool will get it back, but if it displays like this, unfortunately your missing emails were permanently deleted. That means that your emails are gone for good. This is the only way to do it, so make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.